Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
Hi, today we're here to talk with you about sustainable engineering.
When people think of engineering, they don't always think of all the products in their life that are the result of engineering. One focus that is common among all the engineering disciplines that is often overlooked is the idea of sustainable engineering.
Sustainable engineering is essentially the process of designing and innovating new solutions that have a lessened impact on the environment. Since engineers are in charge of lots of the world's new developments and improvements, sustainable engineering is naturally their responsibility.
Every morning when you wake up from your warm, cozy bed, you expect a warm, cozy house to wait for you. Well, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Now, most people don't have a fire in their house because it's the 21st century, but they do have gas furnaces. These gas furnaces are designed by engineers with sustainability in mind when they're building them. Now, these furnaces are made by several different kinds of engineers, including mechanical engineers who design the actual furnace to burn the least amount of natural gas as possible to make the highest amount of heat, an industrial engineer who will limit the amount of waste that comes from the manufacturing process of making the furnace, and a petroleum engineer who finds the most environmentally responsible way to extract natural gas from the earth to power the furnace. All of these processes go into making your house as warm as possible while keeping our earth unharmed.
You may not know it, but there are actually engineers all around us. Everything you do or use probably involved an engineer somewhere in the process. This computer that I'm working on, it was designed to be tough, durable, and last long by materials engineers, and its components were made by computer and electrical engineers. And when I'm done with it, the engineers have made sure that recycling is definitely an option for me.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. In addition to agricultural engineering, biological engineering can also put meals on your table. Biological engineering encompasses a wide variety of things, but one of the more environmentally sustainable things it can do is to create genetically modified food. These foods include modifying the genes to make the food grow longer, faster, stronger, and be more resistant to pesticides. All of these genetic modifications can put less of a strain on our planet if executed correctly. Crops can consume a large amount of water and other resources, so making this process more efficient is one of the best ways that we can improve sustainability in biological engineering.
Environmental and ecological engineering, or EEE, has perhaps the most direct connection to engineering in the sustainability realm. Environmental and ecological engineers work to make sure that the processes that we rely on every day are done so with respect to the environment. For example, when you had your breakfast this morning, you probably threw away some garbage or threw something in the recycling bin. Environmental and ecological engineers make sure that this process of recycling is made possible. Without their input, over a third of our waste would go straight to the landfill.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. You know that meal you just threw away? I'll bet some of that was a product of agricultural engineering. Agricultural engineering is a branch of engineering that deals with farm machinery, soil management, water supply, and crop production. And believe it or not, this branch of engineering makes serious sustainability efforts. Sustainable agricultural engineering involves designing efficient farm machinery and using farming techniques that protect the environment and the public health. Some of their efforts include reducing the use of toxic pesticides, rotating their crops to reduce pests, and using conservation tillage to reduce soil erosion.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. Well, that's all for today, kids. Have a great day.
Yeah.